Now we will discuss the autosomal recessive ataxia. Autosomal recessive ataxia. The ataxia due to autosomal recessive diseases. Autosomal recessive ataxia is Friedreich ataxia. Friedreich ataxia. The Friedreich ataxia is the autosomal recessive ataxia. This is the most common inherited ataxia in one half of all inherited ataxia. One half of all ataxia. This is the most common. Friedreich ataxia is the most common inherited ataxia. That is one half of all ataxia. They occur in 50% of ataxia. This is the autosomal recessive disorder. There are two forms of the Friedreich ataxia. One is classical form and second is the associated with vitamin E deficiency. There is two forms. Number first is the classical form. Classical form. And number second types is associated with vitamin E deficiency. The signs and symptoms of Friedreich ataxia begins before 25 years of age. The sign and symptom begins before 25 years of age. The symptoms of the Friedreich ataxia. The symptoms of the Friedreich ataxia include frequent falling. That is frequent falling. Difficulty in obtaining the posture. Nystagmus. Nystagmus. Absent deep tendon reflex. Absent deep tendon reflex. Laws of vibration and proprioception. There is laws of vibration and proprioception. The woman has better prognosis than men. The women have better prognosis than men because this is the autosomal recessive disorder. So the autosomal recessive disorder in case of ataxia is the Friedreich ataxia. This is the most common inherited ataxia. In one half of all inherited ataxia is the Friedreich ataxia. There are two forms. The classical form, they may be associated with vitamin E deficiency. The signs begin before the 25 year of age. The signs include frequent falling, nystagmus, absence of deep tendon reflexes, loss of vibration and proprioception, and the woman has better prognosis than men. Now we discuss the interesting symptoms of the Friedreich ataxia. Friedreich ataxia. Friedreich ataxia. This is autosomal recessive disorders. Friedreich ataxia. This is the autosomal recessive disorder. The interesting clinical signs and symptom is the cardiac involvement. Cardiac involvement in Friedreich ataxia. Cardiac involvement. The cardiac involvement occurs in 90% of cases. In 90% of cases there is cardiac involvement. The cardiac involvement include cardiomegaly, cardiac muscle hypertrophy and murmur. The cardiac involvement include cardiomegaly, cardiac muscle hypertrophy, all cardiac muscle hypertrophy, not the left ventricular hypertrophy. There is non-selective hypertrophy, that all muscle hypertrophy of the cardiac muscles. And there is also murmur. The conduction defects may be present. Now we discuss the other symptom of Friedreich ataxia. This is the autosomal recessive disorder. The 20% cases of the Friedreich ataxia has diabetes mellitus. There is also spinal cord atrophy. Spinal cord atrophy in the Friedreich ataxia occur 20% and we will see in the MRI. The dorsal root ganglion atrophy also occur. Dorsal root ganglion atrophy also occur. The cerebellum and cerebral gyri atrophy also occur. The cerebellum and cerebral gyri atrophy also occur. There is the degeneration of the tracts in the Friedreich ataxia, that is spinocerebellar, lateral corticospinal and posterior column degeneration. Spinocerebellar, lateral corticospinal, posterior column. These tracts degeneration occur in the Friedreich ataxia. The degeneration of the glossopharyngeal, vagus, hypoglossal and other nerves also occur. There is also the degeneration of glossopharyngeal nerve. Glossopharyngeal nerve degeneration, vagus nerve degeneration, hypoglossal nerve degeneration, So the glossopharyngeal, vagus and hypoglossal nerve degeneration also occur, and there is loss of myelinated fibers. Loss of myelinated fiber. In these nerves also occur. What is the cause of the Friedreich ataxia? Friedreich ataxia is autosomal recessive disorder. So there is the involvement of the gene that is called frataxin gene that synthesize the frataxin protein. Mutation in this gene occur. There is mutation in the GAA repeat sequence. In this sequence, mutation occur, especially in the first intron. In the first intron, there is GAA. This is a triplet repeat sequence mutation occur of the gene that synthesizes a protein called frataxin. The frataxin is a mitochondrial protein that involved in the iron metabolism. This frataxin is the mitochondrial protein, and the function of this protein is metabolize iron. It metabolizes iron. It involved in the metabolism of iron metabolism. It involved in the metabolism of iron. So there is ataxia developed. Another pathology and mechanism that how Friedreich ataxia occur due to vitamin E deficiency. That how vitamin E deficiency occur in the Friedreich ataxia. So the frataxin is a protein that involved in the iron metabolism. Due to this frataxin, this is also occur, and there is another pathway that is called vitamin E alpha tocopherol mutation. Vitamin E, that is alpha tocopherol mutation. Alpha tocopherol mutation due to vitamin E. The alpha tocopherol, in the alpha tocopherol when mutation occur, there is the alpha tocopherol transfer protein. There is alpha tocopherol transfer protein. In this mutation occur in the alpha tocopherol transfer protein. Gene mutation occur and there is the alpha tocopherol transfer protein effects. The alpha tocopherol transfer protein binds vitamin E to VLDL. So this protein binds vitamin E to VLDL. So there are the binding of vitamin E. So the deficiency of vitamin E occur. Vitamin E deficiency occur. How the vitamin E deficiency occur? There is a mutation in the gene that synthesizes alpha tocopherol. Alpha tocopherol binds to vitamin E. So when the mutation of the alpha tocopherol occurs, so there is another protein that is alpha tocopherol transfer protein, and this protein work and the vitamin E, they bind the vitamin E to VLDL, and there is the vitamin E deficiency occur. And when the vitamin E deficiency occur, this alpha tocopherol transfer protein binds to vitamin E to VLDL. Its function is the binding of vitamin E to VLDL, and the deficiency of vitamin E occur, and there is ataxia. Ataxia develop. This is the Friedreich ataxia.